somehow we managed to find one. But in any case,
today, this is a so important form, I believe. KSEA plays a major role, especially we will have a Korean version of NASA in Korea recently. So I hope you will learn more about KSEA.
So we are embarked in the search for life beyond Earth, and that's our field of study. And I will be giving you sort of an overview of this endeavor, and then our good friend and colleague from NASA, Carol Stoker, will be giving you a little bit more specific information in her particular areas of research. So since it is after lunch, and I know this is a difficult time, I do want to say if anybody falls asleep during my talk, you will be visited by an alien tonight. You will be taken away to another planet, so just in case. All right, let's proceed. So we're going to talk about the search for life and intelligence beyond Earth today, and we're going to, okay, so there are three major science questions that we are involved in our pursuit, and these are questions of space science and space exploration. The first one is, how does the universe work? And that has to do with cosmology, astrophysics, big questions like the formation of galaxies, the Big Bang, the start of everything that we know about our universe, stars and planets and life. So how does the universe work? The second question is, how did we get here? So what were the processes and conditions necessary for life that led to life?
So I'm going to focus in on the target body for which we've probably had the longest period of time in human history. The longest period of time that we've actually thought about extraterrestrial life being on another planet in our solar system. And that planet is Mars. And basically ended in 1976. Most of you probably were not alive in 1976. So they were the first successful Mars landers. The two landers were identical. One was landed at a low latitude, and the second one at a high latitude site. And
at the same time, so I was like really worried, and I was like, how do I start my talk? And Carol saved me because she showed a picture of the Mars ingenuity. That I have something to talk about, because if you think about that, the ingenuity was enabled by the development, the technological development here on Earth. We actually, Artemis Defense, and we are the spin-off company of another parent company called Ampere. And Ampere has been flying since 2016. We have a fairly large contract from the NASA, Department of Energy, Air Force, FAA, and also from the UK and Canadian government. So,
universe, which is time domain. So any object which has variability change the brightness. So we want to know, especially like as you know, gravitational wave is very famous. Two pulsars are circling around. That's I mentioned earlier section. It created a very heavy element like gold or diamonds here. That's why you need a space mission. And so the first infrared mission is 1983 in this iris called iris, which make a 12 to 100 microsurvey. This is first infrared.
Why I came up with this topic, because it is important for engineering actually. So I just want to introduce that. And the space economy is a really broad topic. It's really described as in one sentence. However, anything that relates to the space, we can make money or buy things. It's gonna be all to the